Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss helpful gardening tips like this. Whether you're growing in pots, a backyard, or a small balcony, this channel is all about making gardening simple and successful. Have you ever planted something with high hopes only to watch it struggle, turn yellow, or never flower at all? You gave it sunlight, water, and love. So what went wrong? The answer might be hiding right under your feet, your soil. In this video, we're going to learn how to choose the right plants based on your soil type, so you're not fighting nature, you're working with it. Let's get started. Let's begin with sandy soil. Sandy soil feels dry and gritty. When you squeeze it in your hand, it won't stick together. It just falls apart. This soil drains very quickly and doesn't hold on to nutrients for long, which means you need to choose plants that are tough and drought tolerant. Some great options for sandy soil include lavender, rosemary, sage, and succulents. In the vegetable garden, you can grow carrots, radishes, and potatoes. These root crops love loose, quick-draining soil. To improve sandy soil over time, regularly add compost, leaf mold, or well-rotted manure. These organic materials help the soil retain moisture and nutrients longer. Next, let's talk about silty soil. This soil is soft, smooth, and holds more moisture than sandy soil. If it feels slippery when wet but not sticky like clay, you likely have silty soil. Silty soils are naturally rich in nutrients, which makes them quite fertile, but they can sometimes compact easily. Plants that do well in silty soil include ferns, astilbes, hostas, and moisture-loving flowers like irises. On the vegetable side, spinach, lettuce, and broccoli grow very well. To improve structure and prevent compaction, it's a good idea to add coarse sand or compost for better drainage. Now we move on to clay soil. You'll know it's clay if it feels heavy and sticky when wet, and it forms a tight ball when you squeeze it. Clay soil holds onto water and nutrients really well, but it drains slowly and can become compacted, making it hard for roots to spread. Don't worry, plenty of plants love clay. For flowers, go for roses, marigolds, daylilies, and asters. For vegetables, try cabbage, kale, and beans. To make clay soil easier to work with, add coarse sand, gypsum, or plenty of organic compost. This breaks up the dense texture and improves root growth and drainage. Now let's talk about the soil every gardener wishes for, loamy soil. This is a balanced mix of sand, silt, and clay. It's soft, crumbly, drains well, and is rich in nutrients. If you have loamy soil, congratulations, you can grow almost anything. Fruits, vegetables, herbs, flowers, everything thrives in loam. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, basil, zinnias, and sunflowers will all flourish. To maintain this gold standard soil, keep feeding it with organic matter like compost or worm castings once or twice a year. There's one more special type, organic rich or humus soil. This soil is dark, soft, and full of decomposed leaves, kitchen scraps, and other organic matter. It holds moisture beautifully and is a powerhouse of nutrients. This soil type is perfect for leafy greens, herbs, root vegetables, and shade-loving plants like ferns and coleus. You can build this soil by adding compost regularly and using mulch to protect the top layer. Before planting, you should also check your soil's pH level. If it's too acidic, it might not support all plant types. Acid-loving plants like blueberries, gardenias, and azaleas need lower pH, while plants like lavender, clematis, and lilacs prefer more alkaline conditions. A simple pH meter or a basic soil test kit can tell you what your soil needs. By understanding your soil type, you can stop guessing and start growing. Match your plants to your soil instead of constantly trying to change it. It's easier, more sustainable, and way more rewarding. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below telling us what soil type you have and what you're growing in it. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical gardening tips every week. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.